You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Now that we've covered LED bulbs and diodes, let's take a look at the key components that power and control permanent trim lighting systems: controllers, transformers, and power injection. The controller is the brain of the system. It sends signals to the lights, telling them which colors to display, when to turn on or off, and how to run different lighting effects. Most controllers are Wi-Fi based, allowing users to control the lights through a smartphone app. Some systems also offer hardwired or cloud-based options for added reliability, especially in areas with weak Wi-Fi. The transformer converts standard electrical power into low-voltage power that the LED system can safely use. Most permanent trim lighting operates on 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts, depending on the system. Choosing the correct transformer size ensures proper performance and prevents voltage issues. Power injection is necessary for long runs of lights. Since voltage drops over distance, additional power is needed at certain points to maintain consistent brightness. Power is typically injected every 75 to 100 bulbs, depending on wire gauge and system voltage. These three components, the controller, transformer, and power injection, work together to keep the system running smoothly and efficiently. Now that we've covered the basics of system power and control, let's move on to Lesson 4. Essential tools for installation, where we'll go over the must-have tools every installer needs for a successful job.